Hello students, welcome to Angstromedu, India's best out-solving app, and today we are going to learn about force, a push or a pull. So, force is an important concept as it influences motion. We all know that there are lots of motion in our surrounding in our daily life, and force is the most important concept as it influences motion. So, it can be defined as an interaction that changes the motion of an object if unopposed. But if we talk about the simple definition of force, then it is the push or pull experienced by any object. So force is the push or pull experienced by the object. So we know that force is a vector quantity, means its direction as well as its magnitude both are important. Force is a vector quantity, means both magnitude and direction are equally important. Both magnitude and direction are equally important. Therefore, we have to specify both the direction and the magnitude to describe the force acting on an object. Now, if we talk about force, for instance, force has been defined as the interaction that changes the motion of object if unopposed. When this statement is examined, the statement is force is an interaction. Force is an interaction that changes the motion of an object, changes the motion of an object if unopposed. So, if we examine this statement, we see the role of push or pull. A force that changes the direction of an object towards you will be a pull. Means when we say that it is a pulling force, means that the object will try to move towards you. So, when a force that changes the direction of an object towards you, direction of an object towards you is a pull. And if a force tries to move away the object, a force that changes the direction of an object away from you, a force that changes the direction of an object away from you, is simply a push. So sometimes force is simply defined as a push or a pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with other object. When two objects interact, then either pull is there or push is there. So hence any kind of force is basically a push or a pull. For example, the spring and elastic forces are also some type of force. For example, let us say this is a trolley and here are two persons, right? These are two persons. So, if this person is applying a force in this direction, then it is a pull force for this. And if this person is applying a force in this direction on this trolley, then it will be a push force. Why it is pull force? Because it is trying to move that object towards itself. And why is it a push force? Because this person is trying to move the object away from him or her. So it is simply a pull force and this is a push force. So this is all about force, a push or pull. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.